Hello, dear viewers. Step into a world where furniture is not just made, it's crafted with character, beauty, and timeless charm. Welcome to Shanmugam Furniture Works, Kurg Kushalnagar, your destination for luxurious and long lasting furnitures. Experience the elegance of teak, the royal touch of rosewood, the strength of jackwood, and many more. Each piece polished to perfection, built to impress. From graceful sofa set, sturdy cots, stylish dining tables, teapoys, premium divans, and soothing rocking chairs, and majestic wooden swings. Every creation adds class, comfort, and charisma to your home. Modern, royal, customized, your dream design transformed into reality. Order today, WhatsApp available 8861349699 and 9448504389. Shanmugam Furniture Works, where furnitures become art, where homes become beauty. Order soon. Thank you.